Does Google Chrome keep crashing on your Windows computer? If Chrome closes unexpectedly, freezes, or crashes while browsing, don't worry. This issue is often caused by corrupted browser data, problematic extensions, outdated software, or system conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Chrome crashing step by step. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. Restarting Windows clears temporary processes and system resources that may be causing Chrome to crash. Once your PC starts again, open Chrome and see if the issue has been resolved. If Chrome stays open long enough, click the three-dot menu, choose Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. Keeping Chrome updated helps fix bugs and improve stability. Next, open the Extensions page and temporarily disable your installed extensions. A faulty or outdated extension can cause Chrome to crash repeatedly. Re-enable them one at a time to identify the extension causing the problem. If Chrome continues crashing, open Settings, select Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This resets startup settings, search engine preferences, and other browser settings while keeping your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, uninstall Google Chrome from Settings, restart your computer, and install the latest version from the official Google Chrome website. A fresh installation replaces damaged browser files that may be causing the crashes, and that's how to fix Chrome crashing. Updating the browser, disabling extensions, resetting Chrome, and reinstalling it will resolve most crash-related issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.